And we are live.
Once we know how we want it laid out, then we can start building up the motherboard with the processor.
Yeah.
Get that situated. When we get the motherboard and the processor going, then that's going to be set up there. Then we can just build everything out from there. Probably do the power source after that. And then, yeah, the fans are easy enough to put in at the very end. So I think we'll save that for last. And then I think the graphics card will be the penultimate there. And then, yeah, trying to throw this guy in there. I'm excited for this guy. That's good. He's gonna be,
dude, straight up.
It's gonna be an absolute gem piece.
That's fucking sick. That is the Kirby theme, bro.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, so I think the best thing
That's
is
gnarly,
let's
bro.
take this off here, and then we can start diving in. You can just get after it.
Perfect. Okay. Like no space. I lied.
And then hard drive, we're gonna put one of them back here.
That's
so
when there's an H. I'm
exactly.
I realized I really said helicopter. I thought it was just an H for it.
helicopter.
Action. It's so funny.
So it already has all the mounts actually for us.
Yeah.
And you can kind of feel them. So these are going to be where the motherboard's going to stick to.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sure.
So this looks good. This is
Shit. It's so vital.
yeah. This is nice too because that means that you can actually bend it. Because what can happen too is that when you have really rigid,
It cuts the wires or some shit, or?
yeah, and it will bend and it will fold in awkward ways.
Yeah,
So this is a clever way of being able to circumvent that.
It's perfect. It just fits Kirby, man. He's soft and fucking cuddly.
Oh, and I just realized this is one unit. This whole thing
It's all printed
is
in
all
one silicone unit.
Silicone unit, yeah.
Interesting.
So then on the face of it, it looks really clean. Because then it's all, there's no lines. Cool, okay, great.
What an interesting fucking case.
Okay,
They
great.
just do that, yeah.
Yeah.
It's infinitely more lighter.
That's crazy.
Let's have that back door up.
Fuck. You could literally fucking.
The shell here.
No.
So it's a hybrid of metal and plastic. It's like a
Yeah.
composite, essentially.
Yeah, this kind of inside part is all like a light plastic. And the shell here. All around. I mean, firm though, like it's thin, but it's like it's not flexing, which is really nice. You can press down on this, and it's not flexing. That's really nice. Okay, so motherboard time, yeah.
Let's do it.
All right. Piece that you always want to put on first.
Oh, yeah.
Because if you put it on the motherboard, screwed in, and you don't have the I/O shield, you're screwed.
Oh my gosh.
Put it off the side.
Imagine though, imagine. What would you have to do? Like
You-
say
Thankfully, it's not that bad. It's just you have to unscrew
you have to
this whole
backtrack.
thing.
You just have to backtrack.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Yeah, but if the metal's bending, and I don't want to force it, you know.
Ooh, that's super nice. And now that I'm thinking about it too, we're gonna have to take that off anyways.
Yep, caught it. You caught it.
Put it into here.
Yeah.
A pyramid to match.
Okay.
That's weird though because every single chip goes this way.
Put this bad boy in.
Oh
So, I don't know what the fuck's
yeah.
that.
So we'll just open the gate on number 2.
This is fucking heavy. Oh, wait a minute. This is a little weird. How the fuck? Fucking Wi-Fi's been hella slow, bro. Go for it.
So let me get this.
we hear.
They're gonna plug the drives in because that was
that's
potentially
true.
an issue.
That is ridiculous how much fucking airflow is in there right now.